Help from the nature!
The tradition of using traditional herbs is fading out. People more and more use chemical medicines and cosmetics, so it was important for us to understand how to use hair and herbs in everyday life.
I like the part of the project where we were interviewed our relatives about use of herbs for medical purposes. Girls were more interested in how to become more beautiful with the help of nature. I think we were successful. We learned much new
On the
art.
15th of December, we had our International Tea Day at school. It was a real fun. We worked together in a group and we really enjoyed it. We communicated with students of other countries and found out about life, cultures and traditions of our partners. We were really happy to receive and send Christmas cards. We showed them to our classmates and other students of
I
our
hope we'll continue to work on other projects on Lithuanian platform and meet our friends we met during this year again.
Now we know the importance of using herbs in our life.
At Mini!